everyone, what's going on? So today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm going to be doing a Forever 21 haul. So Forever 21 was having an amazing deal. I literally got all of these bags and all of these shoes and I'm just like, what? I was like, you know what? I need more purses in my life and I need more shoes in my life. And just FYI, I love Forever 21. I mean, they are so on point with their trends and their styles, and honestly, I love that store so much. So let's just get right into it. So let's go ahead and start off with the shoes. Whoa, this bag is heavy. Bam, 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 bam. So now let's go ahead and get in with the purses. Bam, 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 bam.
Gravity is tight. Drop it down like water. Oh yeah. Oh, make it hot. Gravity is tight. Drop it down like water. Oh yeah. Oh, make it hot right now. Gravity is tight. Drop it down like water. Oh yeah. Oh, make it hot right now. Gravity is tight. Drop it down like water, like water. Just let it go right now. Oh, gravity's tight.
Mind you, I paid like $7 each for the bags and shoes. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This completes the video. I really love Forever 21. I love their trends. I love their deals. I just love everything about the store. Please go ahead and comment down below if you liked this video. If you did, I will go ahead and do more of these for you guys. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much and thank you guys for watching.